The EDTA 650 is an inline desktop automation for loading and unloading machines, such as LDIs, AOIs, and Inkjets. It can also function as a standalone solution when combined with two servant or MOV 650 slot rack loader or unloaders. The two 3-axis robots enable a pick, place, and flip of the PCB and allow an A or B mode for a one pass-through operation. Multi-batch and multi-format handling is integrated through an automatic gripper, which allows the recognition of various panel sizes. All settings can be saved as recipes for quick access and reenactment at a later time. Due to the sleek design, unlimited access is granted to all machines for easy maintenance. The EDTA 650 is the fastest system of its kind on the market, operating at a cycle time down to 10 seconds per side. It has a uniquely small footprint and only consumes 800 watts. This automation is compatible with most LDI, AOI, and Inkjet systems, and can be linked to a manufacturing execution system, allowing traceability and unique handling per PCB. The EDTA is a valuable addition towards fully automated manufacturing.